Forgotten username recovery failed on Ally app fix. If recovering your Ally username feels impossible, most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or missing key verification steps. You won't believe how quickly you can regain access when you follow the correct method. Step 1. Open the Ally app or visit the login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your account. Ally will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Missing the recovery email is one of the most common reasons people fail. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short time, as it may temporarily block your account. Step 3. If your registered email is inactive, gather verification details like your full name, social security number, and recent account activity. Contact Ally customer support directly with these details to speed up the process. Step 4. Once you've recovered your username, save it in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication is a smart move to prevent future login problems and keep your account secure. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Ally account quickly. Proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial data safe.